If you're still using Windows 10, it's time to upgrade to Windows 11 because Windows 10 support has officially ended, which means no more regular security updates or bug fixes, leaving your PC more vulnerable over time. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without a USB drive, without losing your data, and even on many older or unsupported PCs and laptops. We'll use Microsoft's official tools to make the process as safe and straightforward as possible. So make sure to watch the video till the end, do not skip any part, otherwise it might be that the method won't work for you. So let's start without any further delay. So guys, the very first thing you need to do is download the Windows 11 ISO. And for that, open any browser and type here, Windows 11 ISO download. Hit enter. You will see several results. Click the first Microsoft website link. The first result should take you straight to Microsoft's official download page. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the download Windows 11 This Image ISO section. Click the drop-down menu and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO and click on Conform, and then it will validate. Now it will ask you to select the product language. Now in this method, guys, you have to keep one thing in mind. Here you have to choose the exact same product language that is currently installed in your Windows 10. Now,